Okay, my Jeep has a electrical short from the battery to the starter to the ignition, so I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to do. So I'm going to put it on this dolly here. It'll take me at least a good hour. I'm using two straps against each other. One holds it, and the other one brings it up, and then I release the pressure on the first one, this one or that one, whatever. While the other one holds the tension, I bring it up by myself. I don't know anybody out here that can actually help me. So methodical, you know, but like she said, slow and easy, slow and easy. And because I have a bad back, it really hurts. So I'm doing this for today. All right, I'll get you a video here when I get done. I think you might enjoy it. It's just a one-man job. I wish I would have had a manual winch, which I'm going to look into buying. Okay, finally got the Jeep home. I'll show you what the problem is. I don't know why I'm so lazy about it, and I don't know why I don't fix this thing. But I've always had these cables, my negative and my positive. You can see I cleaned them up a little bit, but you can see the green corrosion in them. So I've got to replace this whole harness here, and I will show you how I do that, although I'm not happy about it. I was going to make my own wiring, but now that I'm looking at this, I think I'm going to try and buy this ignition harness. Here's the power. These two go together, those two go separately, but you can see the corrosion that I tried to clean up, and it just hasn't worked. It popped, and I don't know what damage it did. Made a loud popping sound. So I'm going to look for a harness to fix this, and hopefully she'll still run. This is a 1999 Jeep. It's been very helpful to me throughout the years, gotten me back and forth to work. But that electrical problem has been the main problem that I've had with it since I've gotten it, and I just love this vehicle. I just happen to love it. And people try to buy it from me. I have no idea why anybody would want a sports Wrangler, but I imagine there's some dirty pool going on there somewhere. And I've gotten a lot of rust, over the years. You can see all that rust down there. Having an older vehicle, a classic vehicle, it becomes a challenge. It starts to turn into something that I wasn't expecting in an older vehicle. That rust is very, very bad, and yeah, you can see it everywhere. It just starts to eat the whole vehicle. I never thought I'd ever see a vehicle of any kind just become, look at that rust. And the engine's good. I've got to change these belts. These belts are cracked and they're getting ready to bust, and who knows what else. Everything else I can replace. Yeah, you can see the cracks right there in the belts. That's not good. They're getting ready to split. I have a clutch pan, probably needs to be replaced because it's been sitting for so long. But it's my second backup vehicle, so maybe it's time I think of getting a secondary backup vehicle and fixing this as I go along, and see that way I have a second backup small little vehicle to drive back and forth to work. All right, YouTubers, talk to you later.